You're bidding on a Hyster, you can hop on it. You're bidding on a Hyster 4,500-pound lift truck. It's got 42-inch forks, 133-inch lift, side shift. This came out of a Delphi automotive plant. It's a 2011. Delphi closed this plant in, I think, 2015. It basically has 4 years worth of use. The hour meter says it's got 15,000 hours on it. They took all the batteries out. We've put a rebuilt battery in it. This battery is 80%, whatever that means. Comes with a warranty, the battery. It's got strobe and backup, and I don't know if you can see it, it's bright out, but work lights, stop lights, all LEDs. Very nice condition. Side shift. I told you it was a 2011, 42-inch forks. The model is an E45XN33. It's a 36-volt unit. It's in very nice condition. We haven't done anything to it other than to wipe off the dust, because this thing has been sitting for 3-4 years, from what we understand. That's what it is. Good luck bidding.